snake lie to me.
Now, don't take it out on the water just because you don't like the reflection. I mean, not everyone can be born with such great looks.
You let that tiger get his claws on you and you won't be so good looking.
Why, that pussycat? He's harmless. Watch this.
Oh.
What's the matter, Stripes? Man cub got your tongue?
Lucky, let's find something to do somewhere else.
No. Hang on, fellas. I've got another one. How many men does it take to whoop a tiger?
Surprise me.
None. A little kid could do it all by himself.
Come on, Lucky, let's go.
Come on, Lucky,
eh?
let's go.
In fact, we heard that kid is right here in the jungle, right under your whiskers.
Interesting. I heard he's headed back to the village.
Wrong again, kitty.
Oh, Lucky, keep your gob shut.
Now they say it's headed downriver with a bear.
Dan River, you say? Ah.
Oh, don't listen to him.
Oh, yeah, he's new around here. He don't know anything.
On the contrary, he seems to know quite a lot.
Hey, hold on, hot pants. Where's the fire?
Isn't it ironic that your name is Lucky?